So today's October 28th. We just had the frost about a couple days ago.
Mommy, it's so yummy.
Okay, I know you've been waiting. You're like a hungry bird. Even the baby wants some fig. So this is Nero 600. It's
Mommy, I want to eat all of it.
I know, but can you wait? Oh, give me 1 sec.
Okay.
So it looks like a small to medium-sized fig. The leaf and the fruit shape remind me of my Negronne.
My mom and my dad are figs.
Okay, and VBD, you know, all those sorts of figs. So I guess the only difference is just to eat it. This is frost ripened. So we'll have Long eat that, and I'll eat this to see how it is. It has pretty smooth skin. Okay, you can eat that, that's fine.
I don't eat.
So the skin is thick, chewy. Flavor, I see no difference than my VBD. It does not taste like Negronne. It tastes like VBD, plus the leaf shape. So I think next year I'm gonna just see how the Breva crop compares, but it's like a VBD. So, but except the VBD is much easier to buy and find locally than the Nero 600. So I would say if you already have VBD, I don't see why you need to collect Nero 600.